Right. So fire button seems to pressing up. Yeah. It just goes across there. Good. Oh yeah, nice little sound effects come through there. But there is no music that I can tell yet. Alright, that's a bit of... I have to get out of that one. So yeah, so finish this level and see what's... preemptive score. Yeah, that takes it down, and I've got myself killed. Okay. Okay, the song came through then. So they're pretty the same way. I'll put myself in a bad position here. I really need some more pepper now. I've got another one. And couldn't get it. Alright. So that's Burger Time from that one. Then we can also play Burger Time. Alright, I'll pause it, we'll come back. Okay, the next step is to compare what we just played. Somehow I don't have, I'm just putting these random settings here. I like this screen time best. Let me copy it, double buffer it. Should be fine. Sound on Paula. We're just going to reduce the amount of channels. It's only a 16 color game, so. So there you go. So this is the arcade version being emulated, and it's got sound. I guess you have to go back and compare the videos and see the difference. Look at this joystick on the control, it's ridiculous. But yeah, the gameplay is definitely faster. Yeah. So this is pretty much arcade speed, and I missed the chance of getting all those sausages, but I've got more here. Oh. Okay. maybe I'll just finish this screen so that there we go. So every time you do something good, you get a reward, but you need to be quick to pick it up. And that reward is more pepper, which sort of gets you out of trouble and really. Oh no! My joystick sometimes in moments of danger. Okay, I think there's pepper there. Got him. We'll go straight down here because I'm on the run. Done. Got him. Oh no. So you get the point about this game. I'll try one more thing. Okay, so the last one I'm going to try is running this. Right. So now, let's try the 64 version. Surprisingly, acts pretty similar to the arcade. Just the way that everything sort of spawns and how the enemies chase you. And that was a great maneuver. That was a bad maneuver there. Yeah, because the ingredients they'll fall down the burger and bring the bun right down, but they won't ever be able to. I've got pepper there. They basically ride down the burger and but they don't die. They'll come back to life. So you always need to. You need to be very accurate on the stairs as well.